JYP, 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 JYP. Shake that booty, booty. We're going to JYP today, and it takes an hour and a half to get there, not including walk time. It is like 20 degrees outside, and we forgot the pocket Wi-Fi. Woo!
Pocket Wi-Fi.
Yeah, we're going really far, but it's okay because I had to deal with zero Wi-Fi for like my whole stay here, so I took screenshots. I know exactly where we have to go. Until we get there, if we get lost, I'm so sorry. Oh, Burger King. I say that every time we see it.
Also McDonald's too.
McDonald's. Okay, 1 out.
2 out.
What's been your favorite meal since being here?
Kimbap. Kimbap, not kimbap, kimbap. I like seaweeds, that's why I like it.
Did you like the one that we had at the concert, or do you like the one from
At the concert. The one at 7-Eleven is pretty cool. Actually, I like jimduk too.
You'd have liked it more if you would have gotten rice with it. I really actually like jimduk with rice.
But after eating budae-shike, that'd probably be my favorite.
Okay, so we we wanted to compare the ice cream from JYP and SM. SM's is more creamy. This one tastes more icy to me. But the taste-wise, they're both really good. But I think I prefer the creaminess of SM's a little bit better.
I prefer SM too, but both of them are like good.
Yeah, they're both really good. They both taste really good.
Both are organic too.
And then what drink did you get?
Blueberry chamomile sparkling. I know it's super cold, but I still got a cold drink.
And ice cream. And then I got the black vanilla caramel tea latte, which I spent $10 on these two things. And it's like really, really small. So hopefully it's like the best drink in the world. Okay, I'm gonna watch this music video now.
I'm really excited. It's so cool.
Do it again.
Just dance the night away.
There you go. I know zero of the dance, so I can't do that.
How can they even move their legs like that and hand at the same time?
Oh my gosh.
Not just only I need to know how to
You
sing,
know,
but how
I
to dance.
turned the camera on thinking I knew what I was gonna say, but that made me forget everything. We're gonna be getting food. We're trying McDonald's because I haven't tried as many things as I wanted to, and I need to try before I leave. Because I'm American, I need to try my McDonald's. And then we're getting potentially a corn dog, and then also potentially fried chicken. With tteokbokki. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh.
give me those fries. Fries, fries, fries. We got the curly fries, and then we got the normal fries. And then I got, I actually didn't order this one.
Barbecue?
I ordered barbecue. This is sweet and sour. Ugh. And then I got Cajun sauce. Okay, oh wait, what is this? It's ketchup. All right. All right, I'm gonna try now. Are they still hot? That one wasn't, but that was outside the box. The normal fry. They're still warm. Yeah.
It
tastes the same.
but it doesn't. It's not hot at all.
Really? Is it worse today than yesterday, or?
I liked the yesterday more. But it's still okay.
Okay, that's good. Well, do you like it with the, what is it called? The
Mustard.
Yeah, mustard.
Yes.
That's good. Have you ever tried mustard, or did you just not like it, or?
I have tried before.
The curly fries are good. They taste like Arby's.
Arby's. I've tried before, but I prefer ketchup.
I can't see you.
Just like I prefer meat instead of vegetable.
Do you want this ketchup for the fries?
Yeah, with coconut.
It's okay.
Ooh, you have the skin food one. Still pretty sad they out of business.
I know. And then yet it kind of seems like they're releasing new stuff, which is kind of confusing because every time we walk in, there's like new products. Whatever. The Cajun sauce is really good. It's really spicy.
Which one? The yellow one?
Yeah. Do you want to try?
Tastes like what is it called? Sriracha.
Sriracha? Really?
Like spice, same spice. I don't know. Can't remember the taste of sriracha, but I like it a lot. It's just my feeling that it
Okay.
tastes the same.
It's like a memory thing. Okay.
It's been a while.
It's been a while.
It's like a year.
By the way, these whole vlogs have been like literally her face. 'Cause, like, it's hard to film myself when it's like freezing out.
My face of me eating all the time.
No, I feel myself eat.
I don't know, me crying.
It was like my favorite thing to film is me eating. That's all I do. Also, we got a large right here, and then this one's a medium, but they almost look like the exact same size. Okay, maybe not when you stand them up. When they lay down. Okay, bye.